Mustang update. I got to get rid of 2 leaks, and then we got to go to the dyno and everything else. Either way, if it stops leaking, it's just going to sit a little bit. And if I still have problems with power production, hopefully I pick up some with these. If not, it has to be cam timing or something else. I'm not sure I want to tear it down that much. I think I just want to drive it and enjoy it and then do that later. So I have to get this crank pulley off because the seal is just obliterated, and hopefully it comes out nice and I can show you how terrible it is. And I'm going to go up into the warehouse to see if I have a freshie, which I probably do. But yeah, this thing is in multiple pieces. Well, I'll get a video there. You know, I'm sure you believe me, but it's falling apart. I'm gonna get right to it. Okay, thanks. Goodbye. So we're rolling. This guy, it just slid. This is what was falling forward. It would fall right out of the timing cover. So it's possible I just didn't install the right one or what. I have no clue. But yeah, so it obviously wasn't doing a very good job of sealing either. It looks pretty grody. And that's a E85 cold start right there. Goo and schmoo. So we're going to go look in the parts bin attic and see if we can find something to remedy that. Or we're going to call up our, what is Robot Cantina calls it? The jungle site. Alright, so quick little update here. This is what I had. This guy, and you can see it's very spongy, like you could just bloop. This one is extremely stiff. It has like a backing plate on it. And then I guess we'll see how I measure them almost. This one feels slightly bigger. I don't know. We'll see how it goes. Hopefully after this it goes away, right? That'd be nice. That would be incredible. Yeah, that I don't think is gonna leak, but we gotta make sure it's right. That one goes on. You would think, I bet this is not what, yeah, I don't know. That was probably leaking, but this thing was just falling out of the timing cover. So that's what was doing it. Hello there. So the other thing I did, dude, the other one fit much more snuggy. There's much more snuggying going on. So I don't know if something popped out of this or what. That guy hammered in fine. There was nothing else in there. If I could speak, it would be great. But I can see how this thing just got, like it was just too loose. I guess I didn't notice when I put the engine together. I don't know if that came with Holley's stuff or I think I bought the ICT billet. Let's blame it on them. I bought an ICT billet double turbo drain cover, and this was probably on it. So I put an OE guy in that I had laying upstairs. Actually brand new. So that guy's in, and we're going to throw the balancer back on and hope everything's happy. So this is the L33 for the Fairmont. And what I'd like to do is pull I have a Gen 3 intake on here just to kind of close it up. I took out this guy on camera, my plastic one that didn't quite fit but did cover it. So we're going to pull the intake. I'm going to see, I think I'm going to pull the knock sensors. They're garbage, no one uses them. And I'm also sealing the hole. So we're going to block those off. I keep thinking of spraying this motor down. What do you think? Hey, she's aluminum and she's a little grimy down underneath. So just time to start doing little stuff and looking at stuff and making sure I still have stuff. I have so much stuff scattered, it's time to start putting it in here. Bolting like the transmission 60E here to this guy and get ready to drop in one big swoop-de-whoop. I think these are for square port. That's a Gen 4. Oh yeah, look at that. That's a nice piece. Trash! Blah! They made it. Oh, they made it into the trash. I just don't want these in here. What if they decide to go for a walk one day? Goodbye. I missed. Alright, let's just put the plate on. I can't find any gas. Imagine that. I'll probably find one once I put this on, so I'm just gonna bolt it down in its entirety so I'm not missing anything. What a little Allen key. Pardon, excuse me. Yeah, this works. Got that fancy black countersunk hardware, all the fancy bits. Look at that. One more here. That's all. Oh, that's all of them. Let's get rid of this and this. Number 2 on a 3/8 stubby is about 20 foot-pounds, but then with the extension on it. So we're just gonna. One is about 10 foot-pounds. 2 is about 20 foot-pounds, which is. Most things are tightened to. All right, that's exciting, isn't it? Okay, time to. We're gonna pull the cylinder heads off. I'm gonna do valve springs and a bunch of other things. Does that rhyme? Possibly. Why are you still upside down? Anyway, moving on. I need an 8. Actually, I can pull those off without. I don't need to pull the valve covers. I don't think. I don't think I have push rods or anything in here. Ta-da! Okay, look at that thing. That thing's mint. I don't even think it has lifters in it. Oh, it does. It does. I want to drill these trays. Everybody talks about drilling the lifter trays. That's what I want to do. That's what I want to do. All the cool kids are doing it. So, that means I'm gonna. Alright, maybe I'll get my engine stand and we'll do like oil pan cam and a bunch. My stand's over there. It's over there, not here.